So today I will teach you how to say thank you like a native Japanese speaker. Ready? First one, we say A-ZAS a lot. A-ZAS, 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 which is just shorter version of ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます is too long, too formal, so we say A-ZAS, quicker, easier, and more friendly. So A-ZAS, A-ZAS, A-ZAS. Second one, it's super easy. Just SAN-KYU, SAN-KYU, thank you. It's too difficult to say for us, TH pronunciation. So we say SAN-KYU, SAN-KYU. Next one is 本当にありがとう。本当にありがとう。It's a bit longer, but this one is more. Thank you very much. Thank you so much in Japanese. 本当にありがとう。And the next one is ありがとね。ありがとね。ありがとね。So ありがとね is like super similar to ありがとう, but ありがとね is more thanks a lot. ね is emphasizing the meaning of thanks. So ありがとね. And now I'm gonna teach you the response. So in English, you're welcome. The first one is very basic one. どういたしまして。どういたしまして。It's a bit mouthful, but どういたしまして。どういたしまして。Okay? Second one is とんでもない。とんでもない。とんでもない。This one is more like no problems, no worry, that's alright. So more casual, and native speakers use とんでもない a lot. とんでもない。とんでもない。And the last one is just say which means oh, it's alright. So pretty simple, right? A-ZAS どういたしまして。ありがとね。本当にありがとう。とんでもない。That's all for today. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you have any questions or requests, please leave it in the comment. I'm gonna reply you. Alright? So see you next time. Bye!